How to take care of your child's skin? You don't really need to do much. We're pretty lucky. Kids' skin is pretty dang resilient. Most of the time, you don't need to do much, and their skin and hair and nails will be okay as long as they're eating a normal diet and they're not getting burned in the sun. I love lotion after showers. I think it traps in that moisture, and especially in a non-humid climate like here in Utah. Reasonable shampoos and conditioners and soaps I think are great. We could go down a whole rabbit hole of types of soaps and types of shampoos and types of body wash and conditioners. Most would be okay on kids' skin if it's normal skin. You know, certainly you got to treat specific things. If you have eczema, you'll have thicker creams or stuff made for that, or even prescription stuff. But for typical normal skin, I think we're kind of lucky. As long as you protect it from the cold and protect it from the heat and moisturize it when it gets too dry, it is pretty resilient, and it does pretty good. You got to make sure that you don't get sunburned, because you can have pain of the sunburn while you have it, and later on you can get skin aging, you can get increased bad moles, you can get increased pigmented lenticels, which are sunspots, and you can get increased skin cancer and skin aging. If they had acne, you know, you give them specific treatments for that. I would almost say simplify things. Having 8-year-olds come in with complicated skincare routines is probably unneeded. Doing a light wash daily, you know, protecting the skin with a sunscreen if they're out in the sun, and moisturizer is usually a pretty dang good job and should do the trick. And of course, when they start getting into puberty and need specific things for oily and clogged skin, absolutely you can adjust the regimen as needed for the skin type. And then lastly, be special conditions. If a patient has eczema or psoriasis or molluscum or warts or whatever, you'd have to do specific things to help those conditions. So hope that helps. Take care of those kids' skin, and thanks for watching.